Hey, John.
What's going on, Mike?
All right, I got another live fire misfire for you. In Massachusetts, an LTC holder can still purchase large capacity pre-ban magazines.
Definite misfire. Yeah, absolutely. So legal citations are going to be 140 section 121 for the definition of large capacity feeding device, and 131M of chapter 140 for, you know, the exemptions and the prohibitions. So absolutely, since August 1st of 2024, it has been illegal to buy, give, receive any pre-ban large capacity feeding device that was not lawfully possessed as of September 13th, 1994. In fact, the only way that an individual can obtain a new to them pre-ban large capacity feeding device is if somebody died and willed it to them. Absolutely crazy. These bastards really have us. Hopefully we'll get some remedy from the Supreme Court here later this fall. But yeah, take a look at 131M and 121 for the definitions of large capacity feeding devices.
Perfect.
All right.
Thanks,
Sorry.
John. Thanks.